Now, a little bit on ASMCMD. When you run ASMCMD, you may get errors pertaining to the Oracle Home and Oracle SID values. This is to be expected if you have Oracle Database already installed, because your active Oracle SID may be pointed to your Oracle Database, and your active Oracle Home may be set the same way. So you may need to make a temporary reassignment of those environment variables. So set Oracle underscore SID equal to the ASM instance name, which is plus ASM by default. Oracle underscore home equals to, in my case, it's F, app, Oracle, all the way out to grid. That'll make a temporary change there. You'd use export in Linux systems. I've already done that. So if I run ASMCMD, it takes me right into the interactive prompt. Once you're in there, what can you do? Well, you can run help to get a list of commands. And you'll notice it's kind of interesting. Here I am on Windows. The commands are all modeled after Linux Unix commands. You can do everything with ASMCMD in terms of creating and managing disk groups. What's especially helpful for us as DBAs is that we can tap into those groups using traditional Linux shell commands, file management commands. So for instance, we can do an ls to see our data disk groups. You know that we have data 1 and data 2. And then we can actually cd into them and drill in. Now, of course, in my environment, it's not very interesting because I haven't put anything in those disk groups yet. To exit out of ASMCMD, we just simply type exit to come out to the command environment. So as we saw, it's not particularly interesting at this point because we haven't stored any Oracle data objects in our ASM. However, stick with me though, because as we proceed through this module, I'll show you how easy it is to set, say, db_create_file_dest in our initialization parameters to point to a disk group and then populate our ASM instance with real live data. So more will be revealed as we go along.